Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your Xbox application cannot choose a drive on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in settings. Go ahead and select that. Should be the best match here. Select apps on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath apps, select installed apps. In the search apps field, type in Xbox. Select the Xbox application on the list and the three-dotted icon next to it, and select where it says advanced options. Scroll down underneath reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. Give us a moment. And if you're still having a problem, you can select the second option here, but if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. Give us a moment. And then once that's done, close out of here, and you will want to restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.